What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? SimplyPops here, and I hope you guys having a great New Year's Day. I'm blessed. 2017 was an amazing year for me. I wish you guys nothing but health, wealth, and success. So let's make 2018 a fabulous year. Gary Vee said it best, you're gonna die, and I hate to say it like that, but basically just do the things that you love to do, because eventually it's gonna be too late. So if you want to start a YouTube channel today, start it now. If you want to do anything in life, and I know it's a process to get up there, but start your process now. Get off your butt and do it right now. Do what you can. Casey said it best. Life is all about making sacrifices and decisions. You know what I mean? That's life. Decisions and sacrifices. Make this one your year. Anyway, let's get right into the video. What's on my iPhone 10? Perfect way to start off the year. So guys, this is my iPhone. This is my home screen. This is my wallpaper. You guys can see 37,000 new emails. I need to start checking my email for 2018. 30 new messages. You know how that go. And yeah, overall, it looks kind of stock. But when you swipe over to the next page, so FaceTime, podcast, calculator, watch, files, you guys can see I have a extras folder. Apple actually created this folder. I haven't touched it. This is just all the stuff that Apple included. I'm not going to be launching none of my contacts now. I'm not going to blow anybody up. But yeah, you guys get the idea. Next up, you have Clips. Clips is a very simple app. I want to start using this. As you guys can see, I'm right here. You actually have like effects and scenes that you can do. You can make. Look at this. This is so cool, right? So I have this, Memphis, Riverfront. You actually have the sound effects too going on. You have a little sketchbook. The sketchbook one is so cool. You have the 8-bit, so this is how it would look if I was in like a NES system. Galactic. This one is a lot of fun, and I see myself using this though, but I just don't use it. I'm gonna use it though for 2018 though. Put it this way, I'm gonna use it for 2018. Next up, you have GarageBand. These are apps that you should really have on your iPhone when you first get it. And yet again, GarageBand is my first time ever launching GarageBand, and I don't use it. I don't make beats on my phone. That's why we have computers at Macs. I don't know, but it's cool that we have the option though. Next up, we have Keynote. But you know what's funny? Sometimes I might use the Keynote. I didn't launch it up yet, but I use it on my iPad Pro to make a quick little project. iPad Pro is killing the game, man. So I use Keynote for that one project. It's like a presentation I have to do, and I made it all on my iPad. Alright, next up we have Numbers, another app I haven't launched up yet, to be honest with you guys. This is like a spreadsheet app for your iPad and your iPhone. I don't really use it. Pages. Pages is an app that I use on my iPad Pro yet again. A lot of this stuff I'll use on my iPad rather than my phone, but if I don't have my iPad on me, I might take out my iPhone and actually type up a quick little document or a spreadsheet on my phone. Yep, I still have stuff on my iCloud. Just to show you guys, I've been using Pages since 2015. Look, this is my senior speech. Next up, we have iMovie. I didn't even launch this up. I'm surprised it's not even optimized for the iPhone 10 yet. iTunes U, I really don't know what this is. As you guys can see, I like to keep everything stock. I don't like to delete anything. Alright, so next up we have Finance. Now, this is a folder that I created. This is all my banking stuff. You guys are funny if I launch one of these apps. You guys are really funny. So I have my PayPal. You guys know what PayPal is. Capital One, that's my credit card. Credit Karma, that's my credit score. And Chase Bank. Next up we have Spotify. Honestly, there's times where I might flip-flop between Spotify and Apple Music. I'm starting to use Apple Music a lot more, and I understand why people love Apple Music so much. It's integrated. You have the music videos. Next up we have Geekbench 4. Geekbench is basically you're testing out the CPU performance, so you have your Geekbench score. As you guys can see, my multi-core score was 10,600. I recommend you guys test that out, especially if you're going to replace your battery. I want to talk about that for a little bit, man. Apple downgrading the performance of your iPhone, your old iPhone. I'm kind of mad at Apple, but they did apologize, and they did promise us that they're going to include some kind of, indicator letting you know you should replace your battery or not. I think they should have... No, I don't want to stop the recording. I think they should have, like, some kind of option like that in the past. But, hey, they apologized. They kept it moving. But they should have told us though. They should have told us. I don't know why they were so scared to tell us. Next up we have Instagram. This is an app that I use on a daily basis. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, I'm not like that. Oh, okay. I don't wanna put anybody on blast here, but Instagram is one of those apps where I just love at a daily basis. Instagram, Instagram. You guys know what Instagram is, man. Follow me at SimplyPops. Much appreciated. Alright, next up we have Snapchat. These are the apps that I launch every single day, every single hour, or every single minute sometimes. That like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All four of those apps are the reason why I pick up my iPhone. Snapchat, pretty self-explanatory. By the way, you guys can follow me on Snapchat at thisissean96. Oops, I'm going so fast. You guys can see you can follow me right now. You can pause right now, grab another device, and scan me right now. This is why I love living in LA. Oh my god, I cried. What is this? Wait, how did they do that? Shout out to the Ace family. They just hit 4 million subscribers yesterday. That was a perfect way to end out 2017. Hitting 4 million subscribers. Shout out to the Ace family. They're doing it big on YouTube. Make sure you guys subscribe to the Ace family. The cutest family on YouTube, for real. Next up we have Netflix. I like to watch Stranger Things. Black Mirror just came out with a new season. Bright. I want to watch that movie. A lot of people are killing that movie. The movie with Will Smith. Yeah, I'm going to give it a shot though. I never saw it before. And now next up, we have Subcount. Now this is an application what I love, and reason being why I installed this app is because of the widget right here. So if I swipe over, you guys can see the Subcount right there on the side. I have my LifeX widget, I have my calendar widget. So basically I use my calendar to set events, and it'll just show you what's next, what's coming up. My battery life, okay, so this is showing the battery percentage and how many milliamps I have left. And the delivery widget, this is basically like a tracking. So I like to have that tracking number right there on my widget. I have my Harmony widget, so basically you can control your PS4 right here on your iPhone. So I can play, pause, turn down the volume, mute, right there. And I have my batteries widget, so if I use my Beats, you can see your battery percentage. And also you can see your battery percentage on your Apple Watch, which I should be having it on. Yeah, so the battery widget, I recommend you guys have that on, especially if you have the iPhone 10, because the iPhone 10 doesn't show you your battery percentage, and this would be a perfect way to see your battery percentage without reaching all the way to the top here, as you guys can see. But pretty much that's what Subcount is. It's basically just showing you how many subscribers you have, and that's about it. Very, very simple app, but very, very effective. YouTube. You guys are watching YouTube right now, maybe on your mobile devices. YouTube, pretty self-explanatory. Of course, we have YT Studios. Basically, you could check the comments, you could check your analytics. I can interact with you guys. Oh, is that a real thing? Alright, I'm gonna have to reply to some of these comments after this video. So yeah, that's how I interact with you guys. I'm a little fed up how this is not supported on the iPhone 10. Alright, next up we have the Messenger app. Basically, this is like Facebook Messenger, so I can communicate with family, friends. The deliveries, of course, the same thing. You could 3D touch that. Amazon, pretty self-explanatory. Twitch, pretty self-explanatory. I might watch Maximilian, or I might watch, NetherRealm. They might stream a new game, or Injustice. Twitch is a cool app to have on my phone. The Weather Channel, check the forecast. I like the Weather Channel app better than the stock weather app because it shows you more details. So right now, tonight it's 12 degrees, but it feels like 5. But look at Friday, or look at Friday, 2 degrees. So it's gonna probably feel like in the negative. So yeah, so that's the Weather Channel. Battery life, I highly recommend you guys install this on your iPhone right now. Pause this video right now and download this app, because this is gonna show you the condition of your iPhone, your battery condition. Right now, Apple is working on a software update so you guys can see your battery health condition, but right now it's pretty very critical. You probably want to know your battery's health right away. Download this app. It is called Battery Life, and basically it's going to show you the wear level of your battery. So right now my battery level is perfect. I just got this phone in November, so still fairly new, but throughout time it's always important to check this out and see what's your battery wear level. Alright, so next up we have Blackboard. Blackboard is one of my education stuff, so that's showing all my grades. Nothing but C's, B's, A's. I'm an average student. Sometimes I might get A's here and there. Alright, so NCC Mobile, basically that's my college, university, so I can see the tuition bill, I can see my schedule, I can see the campus map, I can see my grades yet again. I'm not really sure why I installed this. when we have Netflix. If you're a Prime member, basically you can get access to all of these movies and TV shows. And yeah, some of them you have to actually pay because you have to look for that little Prime tag on the top. But yeah, I haven't watched anything on Amazon Prime Video yet. Next up we have Socket. Socket basically is like that printer you guys saw a while back. It's a printer that doesn't need ink to print. You guys should watch that video. It's a pretty cool video, I must say. Repost, this is basically for Instagram. So you open up the Instagram app, you copy the URL, and you paste it on there, and you just repost like that. I recommend you guys install Supreme if you're into Supreme wear. Basically, you can see all the new stuff from Supreme. I should have ordered this, but it's sold out. And make sure you guys have notifications on for Supreme because stuff be selling out quick. Room control. Now, room control, I have my Amazon Echo, and I have my and I also have my Logitech Harmony. So that's basically like my smart remote, so I can control certain things using my phone. So I don't have to get up and look for the remote. I can just launch this app, or I can launch the widget and just control my TV like that. LifeX is another app I like to launch up to control the lights. So as you guys can see, I could turn off the light, I could turn them on. It's a pretty cool app, and that's the only app that I have on the front page because I feel like that's important. That's the lights. Next up we have Audible. I recently I purchased this Crush It book by Gary Vee. I highly recommend you guys at least watch Gary Vee's channel, man. He's telling you all the secrets for free right here on YouTube. I'm reading Crush It. I have 2 hours left. I need to start listening to that. I just purchased this Audible book basically. And it's very, very good. I think he's coming out with another book soon too, by the way. eBay. Oops. Alright, so eBay, pretty self-explanatory. You can shop things on eBay, you can sell things on eBay. So these are all my games, right? So I have Puzzle Fighter. Basically this is like Gen Fighters, if you guys remember Gen Fighters on the PS3, Xbox 360, and maybe even PS2 I think. It's now on the iOS device now. Crossy Road, that's a staple on any iOS device. We have Modern Combat, Stack, Jedi Challenges, that's pretty cool. Mario Run, Temple Run, Asphalt, Max Payne, Modern Combat 5. If you guys had an iPhone 4, you guys remember Modern Combat. That was like the Call of Duty. Basically, it is the Call of Duty on iOS, basically. So, I just want to test out the performance. I might even make a separate video gaming on my iPhone 10. Alright, next up we have Pinterest. Pinterest is basically like pins and, you know, I'm new to the whole Pinterest game. I'm trying to get my, you know what I mean? I'm trying to step my game up a little bit on Pinterest. Next up we have Tumblr. Gary Vee actually recommends Tumblr and LinkedIn. You know what I mean? But I never actually open up these apps. I logged in. Yeah. So as you guys can see, I didn't even sign up yet. I didn't do nothing with these apps yet. But I will though in 2018, I promise. Genius. Genius is another app that I like to use. If you listen to the music, you can actually have the Genius app and look up the lyrics. And you can actually tap on the specific lyric and it'll tell you what it means. So if I tap on this, it'll tell you what that lyric is trying to say. And you can see it's verified by Big Shaq. Yeah, this is a very, very good app. And this is another app that I highly recommend you guys install. Next up we have Dominos. Dominos is a pretty cool app. You can set your easy order pizza. You know, Dominos. Dominos is Dominos. Alright, DJI 4 app, that's for my DJI Spark drone. Air map is basically, it's showing you a map on areas where you can fly a drone. LD, basically I was watching Crystal on Key or Crystal Lola video. Alright, so LD is basically like, I just installed this app yesterday. This app is pretty cool, you can have different flares. It was pretty cool. Alright, so that's LD. I think that stands for lens decoration, I think. Crystal K, she put me onto that app basically. I just didn't open it up yet. Alright, so next up we have this folder. All these apps are basically my photo editing apps. So yeah, so basically with this app you can increase the brightness, you can enhance the photo, you can crop it, you can add text, you can blur, you can do all kinds of stuff on this app. It's a pretty powerful app. Same thing with Color Story, very, very similar. I just installed this app. Crystal put me onto this app. Starbucks, pretty self-explanatory. You can buy your coffee. The Cash app, basically you can send people money. Let me see if I can tap on it. Hopefully there's no sensitive information. Okay, good. So basically you can tap in an amount and then you can send money to people. It's a pretty cool app, I must say. I have my activity app so you can see what's going on. So if you wear an Apple Watch, you can see a list of activities. Google Maps, pretty obvious. I'd rather use Google Maps than Apple Maps because sometimes Apple Maps can give you incorrect directions, but I think Apple is getting better and better throughout iOS's. Next up we have Dat Piff, Apple Music and Spotify. Sometimes it's certain mixtapes that's not on Apple Music and Spotify, so that's why I download Dat Piff, as well as my mixtapes. I'm flip-flopping between the two. I don't know which one I like better. And someone put me onto this app right here. I think this is a mixtape app too as well, but anything where you have to create an account, I'm not really too interested in. I need to start deleting apps though, low key. The GOAT app, this is my first time opening up this app too, I know. FaZe Rug put me onto this app, matter of fact. This is where you can buy your sneakers, you can sell your sneakers. Bitcoin, I'm trying to get myself into Bitcoin. Alright, so Airport, this is basically for my router, so you can do certain updates for your router. You can check the activity on your routers and see what's going on in the network. Alright, next up we have Fruit Ninja. That should really be into the games folder, but I recently just downloaded it. Social Blade, you can see your Social Blade score, how many views you got in that day. You can see your growth. It's a little bit outdated, and it's not supported for the iPhone 10. And last but not least, we have Slice. Now, Slice is a pretty cool app. It's going to scan your email, and it's going to look for tracking numbers. So, tracking numbers for shipment. Okay, boom. It's going to automatically add onto the Slice's app. And as well, they send you notifications too as well. So, that's pretty handy, I must say. On the bottom, I have my phone, I have my mail, Safari, and Apple Music. Pretty stock on the dock. So a lot of people don't really use Spotlight, but I use it most of the time. And that's why you guys probably not seeing as much. Oh, speaking of Crystal, she's right here. I like using folders sometimes. They keep them organized, but I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. If I pick up my phone, I want to go to this app. I want to do this. Okay, I could just tap on Instagram. I'm on Instagram already. The thing with the folders, you have to tap the folder, then you have to tap on Instagram. So guys, let me know down in the comments down below, what's your favorite app that you like to use? Me personally, I love Instagram. Instagram is my favorite app. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your new year. And other than that, your boy Pops. Click on that subscribe button as well as notification bell. And I'm out. You guys, you see this little button here? This is like easy access to my control center. So I could tap on that, launch my control center. If I double tap it and launch my notification. But if I press and hold it or 3D touch it, it'll take a screenshot to avoid pressing the volume up and the side button together. Forgot to mention that in the video.